Welcome to our Amazon unboxing video. Starring Tara.
Tara, the teacher on break.
Teacher on break.
Oh, yes.
Pittsburgh Pats.
Yes. So this is
What is it?
a whole bunch of jewelry making stuff. So when I get ready to do Sculpey make jewelry,
Can I look?
I can do it.
Oh wow, look at all those rings and this is cool actually. We need this. We can like take that one link. We can anyway. Yeah, good. We can amend we have a chain that we want to make like shorter. Or variable.
Yeah.
So you can make it shorter or longer. Cool.
This is beautiful cord for like macrame.
Macrame.
So that I can make these beautiful Chinese decorations.
Neat.
That are woven.
I like it. Looks like spools of thread.
Yeah, only they have some nylon in them, so they can be.
And they're kind of a larger gauge.
Yeah, they can be burned. They're better than embroidery thread.
Nice.
So I have some more of that.
Whoa, there's a lot more of that in there.
So, because these are the shiny colors.
Okay.
So these were the shiny colors. Again, I ordered 2 shinies and 2 regulars.
2 like matte.
Here's the shiny, and here's the mattes.
Nice. Our oven tells us the temperature is going up, so that's what that is in the background. This one's pretty cool. This rainbow one.
Yes.
That's really nifty.
And this is translucent Sculpey clay.
Oh yeah.
Experiment with.
Sculpey clay.
And this is glow in the dark Sculpey clay.
Wait, glow in the dark? What? Does it have to have black light, or is it just says keep away from children? Well, come on, man. Like,
I'll show you.
oh, it's the bag you have to keep away from the children. Premo.
Yeah.
With an E. This is cool.
This is glow in the dark.
Why is it like ribbed like that? That's interesting.
So you can break it apart.
Oh, okay.
Yes, it is definitely glow in the dark.
It's definitely glowing in the dark. It's glowing. No, I'm just kidding. Do you have to have it exposed to light for a while and then it glows in the dark?
I don't know.
Oh, we'll have to experiment with that.
It'll be
Cool.
fun.
That's cool.
And that's it.
Well, that's enough.
Yes. This
I like
is my
it.
summertime vacation fun.
Yeah.
I'm going to have a little fun with.
Well, we'll show you some of those if you stay tuned to the channel. 13,000 some subscribers. Can't all be wrong, so subscribe and you'll be seeing some of Tara's artwork.
Yes.
And more Amazon stuff. See you later.